Hello again, friends. Welcome to another breakfast morning edition of What's in the Fridge. Today we're going to make a very simple hash brown with egg sandwich. Using all these guys to make our pico de gallo. We're going to dice up the tomatoes. We're going to use 2 of these guys. Adding half of an onion, finely diced. Our cilantro. Now, I always find it best to take the stem off and just cut up the leaves. Gives it a different flavor. Adding our spices, we're going to go ahead and start with a puño of salt, consommé de pollo, and pepper. Remember, it's always to your taste. Taking the lime, we're going to go ahead and roll it to loosen the juice and just use a half or a quarter, depending on what you like. And then give that a little mix and a taste. Set that aside. Toasting our breads and adding our hash browns into the fryer. We're going to multitask and start with our eggs as well. Don't forget to use your spices. I'm using salt and some Italian seasoning and some pepper. I have found some deli meat in the refrigerator. I'm going to go ahead and just give those a little bit of warmth. And once your bread is done, we're going to go ahead and smother it with a little bit of mayonnaise, hash brown, the egg, deli meat. I always add Parmesan, and then some of the pico de gallo mix. And there you go, you got a beautiful breakfast sandwich. And that's what's in the fridge today.
What's in the fridge?